If Firefox is showing the message unable to find the site, don't worry. This is usually caused by a browser cache issue, a bad cookie, or a network lookup problem on your computer. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes step by step so you can get back online quickly. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, we'll clear the cookies and cache in Firefox. This is one of the fastest ways to fix loading problems when a site won't open properly. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Now, look for the time range option and change it to Everything. This is important because it clears all stored data, not just the recent history. Next, make sure the boxes for cookies and cache are selected. Depending on your version of Firefox, cache may appear as temporary cached files and pages. Once those options are checked, click Clear to remove the stored data. After that, give Firefox a moment to finish, then try opening the website again. In many cases, this alone fixes the unable to find the site error. If the problem is still there, the next thing to check is whether you are using a VPN or proxy. Sometimes a VPN or proxy can interfere with the connection and prevent Firefox from reaching the website correctly. If you have one turned on, disable it temporarily and then reload the page. If the site opens after that, you found the cause. Now let's move on to the DNS cache. If your computer has saved a bad website address, flushing the DNS cache can force it to look up the correct one again. This is a very useful fix when Firefox says it cannot find a site, even though the internet is working. To do this on Windows, click the search bar and type CMD. Open command prompt from the results. When the command window appears, type ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache has been successfully flushed. Once that's done, close command prompt and go back to Firefox. Now try visiting the website again. In many cases, clearing the browser cache, turning off VPN or proxy settings, and flushing the DNS cache will completely solve the issue. If the website still won't load, restart Firefox and, if needed, restart your computer to refresh the connection fully. So to quickly recap, press Ctrl-Shift-Delete to clear cookies and cache, select everything as the time range, disable any VPN or proxy, and then flush the DNS cache using command prompt. These steps fix most unable to find the site errors in Firefox. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.